Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this pretty slime. Sorry, a little thing popped up. Okay, so all you will need pretty much is Elmer's glue, and my dad said no how to make it again because I kind of made a mess. But you will need, of course, Elmer's glue, this Tide, and something to mix with. I'm going to see the yellow stuff, and a plate or something, and a bowl. We ran out of plastic bowls because I used the last one.
Get back, ready?
And then food dye is optional. I decided to use food dye, but hold on. Let me grab the food dye.
Get back, ready?
Sorry guys. My dad is in the background playing with my dog, so.
Catch. Here.
And then food dye. Had to get it. Okay, so food dye, and I used this blue and this green, because my favorite colors are blue and green, of course. So I just done blue and green, and I mixed it together, and it will stain your hands a little bit. So I just done this. I took two little flakes that we don't really use, like that are like leftovers from like a long time ago from the wedding. My cousin. And by the way, food coloring does make it more stretchy. I will say that. So I just used two toothpicks or whatever. So two toothpicks, and here's my other one. And then just mix it up together. Then.
Sierra, guess who she picked?
Bye everyone. What?
The white guy.
Okay. Sorry, my dad was watching TV. And sorry if there's any other colored people. I'm not trying to be racist, but if there's any black people, I'm so sorry. And it's a black person. I'm so sorry. I'm not trying to be mean. But my family's just crazy. And they're just kind of don't have that many manners. But I do. Okay, so this is the finished product. So I hope you will like this tutorial, which I didn't really make it, but I made it off camera. Well, I'm starting with my phone because this is my first video, so. Okay, so sorry background noise. My dad's playing with the dog, and he's gonna play catch. Oh, fetch. Catch, fetch. Catch, fetch. Catch, fetch. I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna go and put this stuff up, so. And don't ever use this kind of glue. Use this kind. Only use school glue. Don't use glue all. It is bad. Here, put it in the trash. So I have to put this stuff up so I don't get in trouble. So, okay. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. So, and as you can see, it stained your hands a little bit. So, my SpongeBob shirt. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Okay, everyone. Could they turn that down? Here's my sister. Dad laughing. Okay, I'm just gonna end this right here. Okay, so make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, don't use glue all. Use school glue. Doesn't really matter how many ounces. But I made I didn't even make an ounce. I done this bit because I wasn't sure if it would work. Well, I did try it out earlier, but I just made a small batch. There's something to fiddle around with, so. Okay. Hope you like this tutorial, and I'm gonna make sure you give this a like. Smash, actually, that like button. Don't just tap it. Don't just hit it. Smash it. Okay. That's weird. It's like blue on these two fingers, green on the rest. Well, there's a little bit of blue on the others, but oh well. Okay, bye everyone. Hope you like this video. Bye. Oh no. Bye. Oh, and this does stick a little bit, so. And it does make it more stretchy. The other, that was bad. I don't just feel like here, and then now it goes like clear out here. Okay, so hope you like this tutorial, everyone. Bye!